Did you know that over 68% of new traders in Canada lost money last year? Not because they made bad trades, but because they picked the wrong broker? Yes, that's absolutely true. And I know this because I used to be one of them. I'm a full-time trader living in Toronto, and in the early days, I made the same mistake many beginners do. I thought that all I needed was a user-friendly app, a bit of capital, and a few indicators. But soon, I learned the hard truth. Many brokers that look professional on the surface are anything but. They hide high fees, offer terrible customer support, and withdrawals can take forever. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 best brokers in Canada for 2025, based on my personal experience after more than 7 years of trading. I'll also reveal the common mistakes that cause Canadian traders to lose money, and the 5 key factors you must consider to choose the right broker from the start. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll give you a free downloadable broker comparison sheet, along with exclusive sign-up links with special perks for my viewers. Now, let's begin by looking at the mistakes most new Canadian traders make. The first mistake is choosing a broker based on ads. Many beginners get drawn in by flashy promises like 0 trading fees, $100 bonus, or instant profits with copy trading. But what they don't realize is that these brokers often aren't licensed by IIROC, which means they're not officially regulated in Canada. If something goes wrong, you won't be protected. I once tried a broker that was trending on TikTok. They claimed you could withdraw funds within 24 hours. In reality, I had to wait 12 days to get my money, and their customer support was just an automated chatbot that didn't help at all. The second mistake is not checking the real spread. Some brokers advertise spreads starting at 0 pips, but when you actually place a trade, you experience slippage or sudden spread widening during news events. If you're a short-term trader like me, that kind of volatility can be dangerous. The third mistake is ignoring execution speed. Just a few seconds of delay can cost you tens of dollars per trade, especially if you're trading Forex or reacting to breaking news. So, how do you choose the right broker in Canada? For me, there are 5 must-have criteria. First, the broker must be licensed by IIROC. That's non-negotiable. Second, trading fees must be transparent. No hidden charges, no shady spread manipulation. Third, the platform must be stable and support tools like MT4, MT5, or Think or Swim. Fourth, order execution must be fast, especially during peak market hours. And finally, customer support must be responsive, with real people answering within 24 to 48 hours. With that in mind, let me share with you the 3 brokers I personally trust and use. The first is Questrade. This is a Canadian broker fully licensed by IIROC. It's great for stock and ETF investors. Trading fees start at just $4.95 per order, and ETFs are completely commission-free. The interface is very user-friendly, especially for beginners. I personally use Questrade for long-term holdings, and I'm very satisfied with its speed and security. The second is Interactive Brokers, also known as IBKR. It's one of the most reputable international brokers and is also regulated by IIROC in Canada. Trading fees are incredibly low, starting at just $0.005 per share. Their TWS platform is powerful and allows you to trade thousands of instruments globally. I use IBKR for trading US stocks and derivatives because the fees are low and the data is precise and reliable. The third is TD Direct Investing. This is the brokerage arm of TD Bank. If you're new to investing and want the safety of working with one of Canada's biggest banks, this is a solid option. The interface is clean, support is fast, and you get the added peace of mind knowing your investments are backed by a major financial institution. The cost per trade is about $9.99, which is higher than average, but it's worth it for the level of service and trust you get. So, which one should you choose? Honestly, there's no perfect broker for everyone. It depends on your style and goals. If you're a serious trader who needs low fees and advanced tools, go with Interactive Brokers. If you're just starting and want something simple and easy to manage, try TD Direct. And if you're a long-term investor focused on Canadian stocks or ETFs, Questrade is a fantastic choice. If you've ever struggled to pick a broker or had a bad experience with one, feel free to leave a comment below. I read every comment and try to respond personally. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post new videos every week, sharing real experiences and trading insights from my journey in the Canadian market. I'll see you in the next one.